Hello everyone, this is Jóhann from Flowcore. Today we'll be discussing read models, how they work, as well as how you connect your read model to an external source. So essentially a read model is your method of getting your data out from Flowcore, so into your own system, such as a database or a storage of some sort. This video will be quite short, considering that we will in the next video be actually pushing the data from a data core into this external source. For this specific video, we're going to be pushing it to a PlanetScale. We'll just be using PlanetScale to set up a database, just for simplicity. Now, if you're interested in connecting to various other online databases, then by all means, put a little comment down below and we'll make sure to look into it and potentially make a video out of it. Now, to get started, first we need an actual database to connect to. So let's just hop over to PlanetScale. We'll just create a new database. We'll call it Weather Station. We'll just call it that. It doesn't really matter. And then we could pick whatever location we're in. Again, this is just a test database. It doesn't really matter what we pick. And we'll create a database. There you go. Now, PlanetScale uses MySQL, so that's what we're going to be sticking with as well. So we'll just do that later for now. And then we'll just let the database connect. While it does that, we'll go over to Flowcore, hop over to read models. And here you can see the current read models we have, which are none. So we'll just create a brand new one. And you can give it whatever name makes sense to you. So we'll call it the best weather station, just to be on brand. There you go. And as you can see, we will be supporting several different endpoints or external sources. For now, we support an S3 bucket, a Postgres database, an external one, so this is one you would host yourself, and an external MySQL database, which you also would host. So for example, with PlanetScale. So the only one we host for you is the S3 public storage. So as you can see here, it says managed. So for now, we'll use the MySQL read model. So to connect to the database, we'll have to fill out this information. So we'll just hop over to PlanetScale. It seems to have been set up properly. So we'll just hop over here and doesn't really matter. We'll just say create password. And then we will get this information that we can utilize. So I'll just pick general just so I see everything. So we'll pick the database name is, there you go, weather station. Hang on, sorry about that. Username is that one. And then the password that it just generated for us is there. And the host itself is that one. There we go. And I know for a fact that PlanetScale uses SSL, so we'll just leave it at that, and it doesn't really need anything other than that. So we will close this down and create the read model. And there you go. Now we've set up an external connection to this database. Now in the next video, we'll go through how we connect the data core to this read model, meaning that we would take the data that we put into a data core and push it into the external read model, which would, in this case, would be a MySQL database hosted by PlanetScale. Now, if you have any questions about, as I said before, with the databases, you can always write in the comments to ask about how you would connect to various other types of databases. We can always just set up a quick video demonstrating that, and then maybe make a playlist of all the various databases you connect to. But for now, I think that is about it we'll cover for this video. And in the next one, we'll be pushing data from data core into this read model, and then we'll see the data come in live. And we'll probably set up a little example that just keeps automatically pushing data and simulating this weather station. So for now, I'll say thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.